Hey guys, Daniel.C in China. 你好. Okay, this is my motor seat. And you can see I changed this motor because my factory motor is broken. It's right here. This is a factory broken. I thought it's broken, but no, I fixed it. But before that, I just tried to find someone to replace it. So I find this one in China. It's really cheap. But I need to reshape this part. You see, this part is thin. So I need to cut a little bit. Cut from here and make it fit inside. Look, fit inside. It works. But this screw is shorter than the factory one. So when I adjust the seat going up, this two part will fall apart. This is really horrible. So I decide I need to find a way to repair this because buy it from American is really expensive and a long time waiting. So lucky to find someone can fix this. Okay, so this two, you can see the difference. I cut this, even you can see the gear from outside, but it doesn't matter. You want to turn the seat up, down, always. You can see this two motor, the screw is the difference. Just this little small difference make it really bad. Anyway, let's put it back. Okay, so here's my new racing seat. And I want to keep this seat, also keep the motor together, combined together. So what I do is, you can see, this motor actually is not a flat. There's some parts over it. And for the seat, the bottom of the seat, and something is lower. So if I directly put two brackets together, it will not fit. So I need something in the middle to like a adapter or something. So what I do is I buy a universal bracket and for the racing seat, and I cut one bar because this bar is in the middle of the way. So I cut it and make it as a adapter. I can put two parts together. And also the SN95, the original seat is the position is really close to the wheel. So I use this to make it back a little bit. And as you can see, when I do this, I use a nut to make this gap for these two parts and make them fit. But this is temporary things. But actually, it's really stable. It's really, maybe I just keep it that way. Originally, I want to find some rubber or something, but this one's good. You know, I'm about 6 feet tall, but I have a short wife. So I do this because I want to, when she drives the car, she can able to adjust a comfortable position. So you see right there, I mount some bolt here. So you can use the original hole, can put the screw inside. But for the bottom, you need to drill another 2 holes to make it fit. All right, and I put everything in one piece, and the track on, the motor on, the seat on. All right, let me show you. So you see, this is the original bracket, and I need to make a gap. And from here, the light. Actually, you can see there's enough space, not enough, just right space for the motor and the bottom of the seat. And because I don't want this seating position too high for me, so in the front I put one bolt, but in the back I put 2 nuts. That's because I want this seat, the back can towards in the front more, so I can regulate to the back, so I have more space to adjust it. Like original seat is cannot adjust to the front, so it's really uncomfortable. But in this way, I make it, at least for myself. And the final piece, I put this motor controller back, and I think it's just put it right there. It's okay. The original place, and looking back, yeah, everything's nice. Everything's nice. Put it right here. So you can see, this is most forward, most uppest seat position. Yeah, Baby Yoda can drive this car, so everything's perfect. And for the back and the low, let me show you. And then right here, still original place. Everything is perfect. See, I think it can give more rooms than before, because this seat make it look this way. It's much better, right? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Thank you.